So when you first close the door, you're gonna see this framed peace tour memory type of thing that I made. So it just has the banner that everyone had, the PCs that you got, and then some printed Polaroids that I did. So I went to the tour date in Houston. Then when you turn, you just see some posters from a few girl groups. So we have Twice, New Jeans, and Le Seraphim. And then at the top, we have a blush canvas painting. I made that like 4 years ago, so it's pretty old. And yeah, then once you go here, you see Billie Eilish, The World's a Little Blurry, which is her documentary. And this was actually sent to me, so I don't know if you can buy it, but you can try looking for it. And yeah, here we have a couple tags from Hype. It was from the merch from Yoongi's concert when we went in Chicago. Here is a BTS canvas that I also made a couple years ago for my sister. Here we just have a couple posters of boy groups. So we have NCT 127, Tomorrow by Together, and Psychers. Right here, I just have my purse, so I can just grab it and go when I go to work. Here, I just have a little cart, and at the top, I just have the things I just use the most, like lotion, Aquaphor, a mist, hair care, chapstick, a clip, and some tissues. Here we just have like the typical hygiene skincare stuff, so like lotion, moisturizer. I don't know why that's there. That's not supposed to be there. An eye mask, pimple patches, brushes, all that stuff. Down here we have all like office supplies, technology stuff. So when we trade PCs, all the packing stuff is usually down here, all that stuff. Then moving over here, you just see this shelf along with the mini fridge and the trash can. So all that stuff belongs to my sister, so you can tell who her bias is from 80s. It's really obvious. Plus a magnet that I got in Chicago. And then up here on top of the fridge, this is a Lego set that I built for the city Tokyo, as you can see. Here is a PC from the light stick, 80s light stick, along with an 80s pin, and a Mingy PC because her bias is Mingy, as you can tell. But then we just have a lamp. Here we just have my section of jewelry and my sister's section. She wears jewelry the most. I don't really wear mine. So I have sunglasses. Then I just have a few keychains. So I have a Kirby, a Converse shoe, and I don't know what these are called, but they're like with the big bodies and the big head. Then I just have this from Bad Bunny's tour that I went last year, and some jewelry and chain. Then here is the top shelf. So I just have a Jin photo from his album, BTS premium photo from the Permission to Dance tour. Well, not tour, but like show. Then a P1 Harmony group picture, a Moonbin PC, Disharmony Find Out signed album by the whole group. Here I have a Walmart shopping cart with the Care Bear in it. I got the bear from my sister for my birthday. And then 2 New Jeans albums with fake tulips. And the Chanel perfume that I got for my graduation, and a Minecraft Lego set. And here is my shelf. And then my sister's shelf. So for the top shelf, I just have all my Billie stuff. So I have the perfumes, the first one and the second one. Some cassette tapes from Happier Than Ever, All the Good Girls Go to Hell, When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go, and Don't Smile at Me. Some jewelry from her. So one is the blush. 2 of them are the blush. One is black and one is silver. Then the one that just says her name and Racer logo. And some chocolate bars. There's no chocolate in them, it's just the packaging. Then some printed out things with her handwriting. And then the book, the photo book. And this, you probably have seen the video. I did an unboxing of it. It just has the brush, a mirror, and other things. For the next shelf, it's all P1 Harmony. So here I have a Theo PC. Well, it's a PC, but not a real one. This one's, I bought it on a shop on Instagram. And then with this crown, it was for my 18th birthday. It was inspired by their 2nd anniversary cake. Then here, I just have a keyhole case from their official website, along with the signed album from the full group. Then a keyhole PC from the same shop, along with the signed one from Keyhole. And these, which are similar to the ones Keyhole has, but mine are strawberry theme. Then this mini album, I don't know what it's called. This one right here, and then I pulled Soul for one of them. And then I also have a Soul one and a mini album. Here are all their albums, except for the Disharmony Breakout. Those are the only ones I have left. Here I have the second shelf, so it's P1 Harmony and BTS. So here is their first season's greetings and their second season's greetings. This was when you got the membership kit, so I bought it, and this is it, the first one. Then here's the Disharmony Find Out album, and I don't know what this, oh, it's from the Peace Tour merch that I bought. And this standy thing from the BTS albums, and the Tata and RJ. Then I have the P1 Harmony light stick, and the BTS one is back there. And that's the packaging for this little guy. And here, I just have a card that I got from my graduation. Here is a Disharmony albums that I have, the English version ones. And then in artist collection, which is Tay's button ones, I'll put a picture of the ones that it is. And then their calendar, or not calendar, I forgot what they're called, but it was for their 8th anniversary. Then with the Soul signed album. For the next shelf, it's just mostly BTS. Well, it is all BTS. So this is the Proof album. I forgot which album this one was, but I have a Jin PC from his album, The Astronaut, or single album, Astronaut, from when I got his coffee. I don't even like coffee, so I don't think I drank it. I don't like coffee, but I have it. Then most of their albums. Then I have the giant Uno of BTS back there. Then I have this that I got when I got this album from Weavers, and along with JK7 CD. And this I just got from my teacher, so yeah. And then I have a pyramid candle. Then I still need to get some of the other members' solo albums, so I have Jimin's, Yoongi's, and Jin's. Then I have all these albums. And then back here, I have the Sowuzu, I think that's what it's called, CD thing, and the Map of the Soul one. I have those in CD. Then I have this well, which was from Jin's Tuna Fish music video, if you remember. Right here, I just have all type of albums from all different groups. Right here, it's just all P1. So I have this magazine, which has post-it notes to where their picture is at. And then here is some things from their 2nd anniversary. And then the photo book. Then this photo book, which I just made a unboxing about. Here is a Nyan magazine, which has P1 in it, so it has post-it notes to where the photos are. Here, P1 is the cover. And I also have this one. And yeah, here it's just Psyker, 17, NCT, and Hypen, GOT7, New Jeans, ATEEZ, Stray Kids, Nyan, aespa, Stray Kids. Oh wait, Shiny, sorry, my bad. Shiny and ITZY and GOT7 again. Oh, then back here I have Twice Season's Greetings that I got for Christmas from my sister. Here I just have extra Butter albums because I got a lot of them. Then right here are just like the CD types. So I have aespa girls album. I think that's what it's called. Oh yeah, girls album. The Anti-Fragile one. The Keshi signed one. I don't know if you could even see that. The Stray Kids Hyunjin one. Oh my god, everything's falling. That's that one. Let me fix this real quick. And the sticker one from NCT 127. A Taemin Super M1. Right here, it's mostly BTS, which along with some other groups. So here I just have the winter package. This, I don't know why I got it. I just wanted to, I guess. This Season's Greetings, this aespa Savage. This was really cool, so I got it because I like the packaging. I got 7 light stick. This tiny Weaver's box. I like this. I liked how cute it was, so I kept it. Then I just have an album of GOT7 back there. Then I have the Map of the Soul 1 concert photo book. Memories of 2020 of BTS. The Daiko kit. This was for the holidays. A Proof album from BTS. And back here I just have some in Hypen ones. And the Map of the Soul 7 ones. And yeah. So here's my sister's shelf. She just has this like traditional Mexican doll. This frog. And these shot glasses, even though she's not at age. But yeah. She doesn't drink though. This Louis Castro makeup PR package. I forgot what it's called. Thing that she got. Because purple's her favorite color. Then here's her ATEEZ shell. So she has this. I got her this because it had ATEEZ in it, obviously. Then the season screens from 2022. She's reusing it. This is a mirror that came when I think she bought an album with it. And then some of these that her friend made for her. And this, I don't know what it means. Wait, I lied. It's something from the captain? That's what I heard. I think that's what it means. I'm not trying to be stupid. Oh my god, I should not be mean. There's a few albums. So she has 3 of the... What? I don't even know the album names. So she has all these ATEEZ albums. Then she has the bear because ATEEZ was using it in a PC, I think, exclusive for Target. So she got it. Then she has both light sticks. The first one and the second one. I actually surprised her with this for her birthday when she went to the ATEEZ concert. Well, I went too, but I was sick. No, but I got sick during the concert. Then here is a Black Opium, which is the one Sungwa uses. Along with this, I think her friend sent her this, and I got her that. Me and my sister got her that for her birthday, along with more ATEEZ albums. Down here, she just has a few signed albums from Psychers and ATEEZ and P1 Harmony. That one's actually mine, but I didn't have enough space and I didn't know where to put it. So I asked her if I can put it in her shelf, and she said yeah. Then we just have Psychers one from Yeonwoo and Minjae, and a Hongjoong signed one. She just has like a PC to who signed it, which is pretty cool, I guess. Here is her BTS shelf. So she has the Map of the Soul 7 one, along with the little stand thing. Her light stick, a Jimin premium photo because that's her bias, if you couldn't tell. A BT21 Chimmy globe. Right here, it's just more BTS albums. A magazine of Jimin, the freebie she got at the Yoongi concert. Jimin coffee. The Uno cards. Then right here is the artist collection. She got Yoongi's Black Note and cover set, because Yoongi's also her bias. Then right here, she just has her multi-stand area. She has many groups like 17, Tomorrow by Together, Monsta X, P1 Harmony, New Jeans. Stray Kids, Psychers, Hypen, Lisa, the Seraphim. Here we have some flags. Here we have the Mexican flag and the American flag, because we're Mexican and we live in America. Here's the pride flag because we support it. Then at the top of the shelves, we just have some pickets. So we have an AT's Mingy one, a P1 Harmony Soul one, a whole OT7 BTS one, and a Theo P1 Harmony one. I was actually supposed to get a Kehoe one, but I got sent Theo, but I'm fine with it. And a Hongjun from AT's one. So the AT's ones are my sister's, and then these three are mine. Then once you move over here, this is what you see. So when you first go right here, you just see all this. So we have a fake plant. We have so much, well, we don't even have that much. We have all fake plants because we can't take care of plants well. The New Jeans album bag and Kehoe, well, a P1 Harmony Season's Greetings calendar. Then we just have another signed album. Then here's the TV. Yeah, I'm just playing P1 right now. Here are the controls, a dribble, speaker. Then all this is storage. This is my sister's shelf. So we have the eyelash. These two are mine, and then the rest is hers. And then down here is just some plushies, and that's the butter containers where she keeps her jewelry. And I like to read, so I have a few books along with the BTS one, which I still haven't finished, but I should. And then a few albums that didn't fit over there. And yeah. Then when you walk over here, we have another banner from the Houston since my sister went. So this is hers. And then a Jiyoung thing that comes with their album. And then the poster from the Season's Greetings. And then when you turn over here, you see all of this. And a Bucky, obviously. So right here we have more girl groups. We have aespa, Blackpink, ITZY, and again Twice. And then we have all the boy groups right here. So we have Hypen, SHINee, 17, GOT7, BTS, ATEEZ, Moonbin, Kai, Psychers, and Monsta X. And obviously I'm extra, so I framed the P1 because they're my olds. Here is just the bed. It's just a simple bed, along with all these stuffed animals, which most of them are mine and my sister's, which is